Your dog's dental health is vital to their overall health, so today we're going to talk about how we can take care of it. Hi, I'm Sarah Zimmer. Welcome to Kong Classroom. So one thing that pet owners don't always know is that 80% of dogs have some sort of periodontal disease. So that includes any sort of mouth pain or mouth problem that's going on. But a lot of times we don't know that something is wrong until we smell it. However, if we smell it, it's already wrong. We've already missed what's going on. So typically, one way to stay on top of their dental health is to offer them options that Kong provides as in their dental line. And the great thing about Kong toys is that they're great for all stages of life. So their dental toys can be used for puppies all the way through to your senior dogs. What can happen with our dog's dental health is they develop plaque on their teeth just like we do, but when they don't get regular teeth cleanings or that starts to build up, it builds into what's called calculus. And that, when it breaks off and they swallow it, which is something we don't want them to do, what can happen is that can really affect their liver, their other organs, their heart even. So it's really important part of their overall general health. Underlying dental issues can often be a cause of things like even behavior issues. So a lot of times underlying anxiety, sometimes a behavior issue that randomly starts cropping up. A lot of times owners don't understand that that is actually pain. So pain is linked to a lot of behavior issues. On top of that, when dogs are showing pain in their mouth, they're pawing at it, they're scratching it, they're rubbing it. So sometimes we equate that to a skin issue or a skin allergy. So all of these different things that start to crop up can be causes of underlying dental issues. So staying on top of routine care, making sure that your dog's teeth are always taken care of, helps them later on down the line. A dental cleaning for your dog looks a lot like a dental cleaning for a human. The big difference is they are fully sedated so that we can keep them fully comfortable over the extent of the process, as well as really dive into what's going on in their mouth. So we can see below the gum line, we can take x-rays of what's going on. We can also, if they have any sort of like abscess, we can address that. And if they do have a cracked tooth or a fractured tooth that we do need to remove, they're already fully sedated, so we can go ahead and take that problem out. And best of all, the whole process ends with chicken flavored polish, so they wake up tasting like chicken. Sedation is scary, so we totally understand the hesitation that you may have as a pet owner to put your dog under. With that said, definitely address those concerns with your vet. Your vet will do all of the routine blood work, all of the routine exams that are necessary to make sure that your pet is healthy enough to go under. Having these routine dental cleanings, even under sedation and especially under sedation, can help us really find the problem before it actually starts, so that not only can enhance their life, but actually save it in the long run. So ideally, we recommend brushing your dog's teeth twice a day. We know that that's easier said than done, so there are other options out there. There's things like water additives, there's cloths that we can use if they'll tolerate that. And then there's also a lot of great toys on the market. Kong makes some awesome dental lines, great for all stages of life. And the great thing about dental toys is they build up friction against the teeth. So enriching them, adding things to the toys that make them really interesting for your dogs to engage with, and keeping them interested in really chewing on them. Building friction on their teeth and really getting that plaque and that calculus off doesn't allow them to actually swallow the plaque, so that doesn't create issues for their internal organs and their heart later on down the road. I'm Sarah Zimmer. Thanks for joining us in Kong Classroom.